Good morning, everyone. This is 11th July 2023. It's around 11:45 in the morning. So, as you can see here, we have booked almost 43,100 rupees from Banknifty in the morning, within around 2 hours of market opening. So, yeah, jump right into the video to understand how price action works. And this is a purely price action based trade. So, you'll have a clear idea on how to take trades looking at the video. So, yeah, jump right in the video to understand how the trade went on. Good morning. This is 11th July 2023 and it's 10:30 a.m. in the morning. As you can see here, market has opened in a gap up around 45,000, and from there it tried to move up till 45,076, and from there again we can see a downward movement which has not crossed the day's low, and it has been consolidating in a range of about 98 around 75 points, which is not a great day or great deal for options buyers. So, and looking at the market right now, what we can see from OI is there is good put OI build up in 45,000, but looking into the last 5 minutes, earlier, I mean, before a minute, in the last 5 minutes, there has been huge call OI build up, sorry, put OI build up, and in the last 10 minutes also, for the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes, there has been good put OI build up. But right now, when I look into this, we can see call dominating put, which means we'll see further bearishness in the market. So, breaking out from any of these points is where we can expect a movement in the market. So above 45,050 is where we can go bullish, and below this is where we can go bearish. So the strike that I have in mind is 45,000 PE, and probably I'll go for a next week expiry, as this may correct. So the premium looks a bit high considering to what I'm looking at. So we will wait for some time. We'll decide on which strike to be purchased, and then we'll plan our trade accordingly. So yeah, we'll see how 45,000 PE looks like. 162. So this can be bought with a minimum stop loss, but before getting into any of the trades, we'll just see where this market is going, and then we'll decide on our trades. Right, so there has been good spike in the premium, sorry, a good spike in the premium, and also we can see that there has been good call OI unwinding in 45,000. So we can go for a buy in 45,000 CE. So because the breakout has happened as well, so we'll go for a buy with 900 quantities in market. Yeah, so this is how our PNL looks like. On closing above this is where we'll get the exact confirmation, so we'll have to wait for that. I'll probably add another 900 quantities to this in some time. We'll go for another 900 quantities, but I'd like to see this in a negative so that I can go for a buy, so that the average will be on a lower side. So yeah, we'll see. When this goes around negative 5,000 or 6,000, that's where I can go for an average. So we have like 12 seconds left for the next candle. If it breaks above and closes around this point, then we might see some bearishness, some bullishness. Otherwise, we'll have to see what is going to happen. Yep. So we'll add another 900 quantities. So we have 1,800 quantities in total. Now, if anything goes wrong, we'll go and average this with another 1,800 quantities. This is what I'm looking at. But I am solid about this breakout looking at the OI too. Yeah, because call is there is put OI build up in every strike prices comparatively now. Oh, so in 45,000 there is a problem. So we'll have to see. Yep, it's not a problem. Let's see. We'll look for a nominal profit today. So we've seen that Bank Nifty has gone up to 45,100, and this is how our PNL looks like. It has gone up to about 31,000, 32,000. I have not booked my profits yet because I am expecting Bank Nifty to move above 45,100 till 45,150. So we'll wait for some time. We will see how Bank Nifty is going, and then we'll decide on the exit. So this is what I am planning for now. So this is the PNL as of now. Looking at OI is kind of favorable to us as well. In the last 5 minutes and in 10 minutes also, there has been good call unwinding in every strikes that you can see here. Even in 10 minutes also, only solid movers on the put side, which means we can expect a further movement towards the upside. We'll probably book our profits around 30k to 50k depending on the market condition. So as you can see here, Bank Nifty has made a fall to 45,038, and on touching the trend line, it is trying to move towards the upside. So we'll have to be careful with the trade, and also there is bullishness that we can expect still, but this high of 45,080 to 90 has to be broken for Bank Nifty to gain power towards the upside. So yep, we'll see what is going to happen, and then we'll decide on what to do with the exit. So this is how our PNL looks like. We have seen a breakout from this level, so we'll have to be careful before going for the exit, because there can be a steady decline in the prices from this level. So we will have our exit at 230. I think 230 is easily achievable, so I think we'll go for 235 or something. We'll just see. I think yesterday also I had the same target. I had my buy price at 205, and I had my exit at 235 or something. So yeah, we'll see. I think if this is going up, then we don't have to book our profits around 50k. We'll see further movement towards the upside. Okay, we'll put our price at 230 is what I feel. But again, this is gonna be a bit tempting to wait for a higher target. But yeah, we'll stick to this. We'll stick to this 230. We'll stick to 230. Yep, so we have both our orders open at 230. We'll see what is going to happen. Okay, so if this is acting as an evening star, then we'll see a doom. So yeah, let's see. Shouldn't have been the target. 230 shouldn't have been the target, but it's okay. I think a nominal profit is always good. So we have booked 43,172 rupees today in intraday. I mean, it's a decent profit, and also we have deployed 3,70,820 rupees in this particular trade, and we have booked 43,000 rupees, which is almost 12% of the trade, is what I believe. Yep. And also, thanks for watching the video. Bye.